Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. This is Aditya and I'm currently studying in Austria at TU Wien. And this video we're going to see how you can shortlist universities based on your profile. And I'm going to also explain the list of universities in Austria, the types of universities, and which university you have to choose. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So let's go. Coming to the types of universities in Austria, basically we have two main types of universities. One is public and one is private. We are going to focus only on the public universities in this video because we know that private universities are a waste of cost. They have a lot of tuition fees and it's basically their degree doesn't matter much as the public universities. So coming to the public universities, there are two main types, FH and TU. So FH in German means Fachhochschule. I don't know the spelling if that's okay. And TU means Technical University or Technical Universität. So FH in English means University of Applied Sciences and TU means Technical University. The difference between these two universities is FH focuses more on the practical knowledge than theoretical, and whereas Technical University it's theory more than practical. Getting a seat in TU is harder than getting a seat in FH. It obviously have a lot of competition. So let's focus on how do we shortlist the universities. This is what we are going to focus on this video as well. So based on this, we're going to shortlist for three profiles mainly. So the three profiles, let's say profile, low profile, average profile, and good profile. We are going to take this criteria: CGPA less than, let's say, 7.2, IELTS should be basic, so 6.0, no work or internships, no job experience, and also same major. So what I mean by same major means, if you did your BTech from CSC or AI and you are applying for AI, data science, or basically data analytics, etc., your admission is more confirmed than people who are applying for different majors. For, let's say, a student coming from mechanical background cannot get into these majors, than a student coming from the same background can get can get into these fields more easily. So yeah, this is the low profile. Same major or related. So what I mean by related is, me myself, I come from IT background and I am studying media, which is both belonging to CSC, but the topics in IT aren't are not in the topics of media and human-centered computing, which is my degree now. So it's kind of related, but not fully, not like 90% or 100%. It's only like 20 to 30%. So that's all right. We can still get it. And for the good profile, you choose your category which you belong to, and we're going to see the list of colleges based on your profile, so how you can basically shortlist it. So these are the types of profiles, and now let's see the list of universities in Austria and how you can shortlist it. As I said, the public universities, TU and FH, all the TUs are these: Uni Wien, Uni Graz, Innsbruck, Med Uni Vienna, Graz Med Uni, etc., etc. And coming to the FH, FH Wien, FH Graz, Linz, Innsbruck, etc., etc. And these are the profiles that we divided right now. If you have a low profile, you should apply for FH, mainly 4 plus FH. Since you have a low profile, you have less chance of getting into a big university since the competition in FH is lesser, you should focus more on applying for FH than applying for TUs. So you apply for 4 plus universities from FH and low ranked TUs, and in the worst case, let's say one private universities. So for the average profile, you can apply for top ranked universities, 4 or 5 universities. And as a backup, you can apply for 1 or 2 FH. And for the good profile, you can apply directly for the top TU universities and you will basically get in. And if you want backup, just apply for 1 or 2 average TUs. That's all right. These are the universities in Austria for med students. The Med Uni Wien is top in Austria. Getting seat in Med Uni Wien is very difficult. And next comes the Med Uni Graz, Med Uni Innsbruck. In coming to the technical universities and also all the universities basically, the rankings in Austria are: the first one is Uni Wien, TU Wien, Central European University, University of Innsbruck, TU Graz, JK Linz, Salzburg University, Klagenfurt, Uni Graz, and Leuven University. I have one interesting website where you can shortlist universities quickly, but it doesn't show based on your profile or anything. You have to do it manually. But I will show you how you can do it manually too. So the website is called Studienwahl, and this is the website where you can see all the programs in English. Since we are only focusing on programs in English, these are the categories. And if you want to study in a computer science field, you go to engineering services and information or computer sciences. So basically the information is for the people who come from electrical, what do you say, ECE background, basically electrical and communication engineering. But we are going to see only on CSE. So for the computer science, you can see computer science of Innsbruck, Graz, Linz, Klagenfurt, Universität of Wien, Technical University of Vienna. I'm going to show you this because this is what I do currently. So this website is basically for the list of universities, but what you have to do internally is you have to go visit each university, see their application, see their application process, and see if they have any CGPA requirement or any such thing. So in my case, let's say TU Wien. Let's switch to English for now. You can go to programs, master's program. You can see what all the types of master's programs are. For computer science, these are the programs: data science, business informatics, media and human centered computing. This is a very popular program in TU Wien, and there are so many Indian students studying in this particular degree program, and also the data science one. And these are the list of courses that are in that particular degree program. Let's go to another university. Let's say JKU Linz. So yeah, basically you have all the requirements as well. We are from India, right? So if you have completed bachelor's in India, the bachelor's program has to be at least 3 years and the CGPA should be at least 60% of the marks. Okay, let's see another university. TU Graz. If you have a completed bachelor program with at least 3 years and a recognized university, and you have at least 60% of the maximum marks in your studies. So for section 1 and 2, if you have 60% of the marks, that's alright. But if your university is classified as section 3, you must have minimum 80% of the maximum marks. One thing that I told you before regarding the shortlisting of universities based on your profile, I did this. If you have a low profile, you have these FHs, one public university, and for the average profile, these are TUs and one FH, and for the grade profile, these are TUs and these are great universities basically. And now let's see how the part-time is going to be. For this, so part-time depends basically on where you live in Austria. If you live in Vienna, there are so many English speaking people. You can easily get part times. Graz is little smaller than Vienna and it is hard. This line, the the chance of getting part times will be getting more harder and harder. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you want more information regarding application or basically anything regarding studying in Austria or also jobs, please comment in this video and I would really love to get some feedback on this video. So thank you all. We will see in the next video.